Alright, it's 5:42 in the morning, Monday. Alright, let's see how much money we make for today. It's really dark and cold. Alright, so I finished the day off making $260 for today, and what time is it? It is 7:34, so about 7 o'clock. I don't know, 7:34 is right now. But multi-app, 4 o'clock, like 5 something in the morning. That's when we started. Multi-app all day, and then it just kind of just died in the afternoon. So we had to have multi-app and deliveries all at the same time. But $260 for today. Let's keep it going. Let's see how much I'm gonna make tomorrow for Tuesday. All right, here we go. Tuesday, 5:42 in the morning. Let's make this money. I finished the day off at 9:08 p.m. and I made a total of $317 for today. For a Tuesday, it's pretty good. Tomorrow it's gonna be even better. Nice. So let's keep it going. All right, let's keep making this money. Let's see what we get for Wednesday. All right, it is 5:56 in the morning. It is Wednesday. Here we go. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 1:55 p.m. It's been a little bit since I did a mid video. I made a total of 138. All right, let's keep it going. It is really slow, I gotta tell you, it's really slow. But multi-apping, and you got Uber Eats all going at the same time. All right, and you're out on the road. You're out on the road. You don't care how long you gotta sit there and wait for a call. You know, I might move around a little bit here and there, okay, but I'm multi-apping all day today. I did the same thing yesterday and I made a little bit over 300, which I believe was like 317 just by doing that strategy. So let's keep it going. Last week was very slow. It looks like this week is very slow, but I'm adapting to it. All right, I found the little trick, and that's the little trick. All right, let's keep it going. Let's make this money. All right, so I finished the day off at about 8:55. No, actually, I finished at 8:55, and I made a total of $477 for today for a Wednesday. So there's some people out there saying that there's no money to be made. Thank you for going home. $477. See how much money we make tomorrow. Let's keep making this money. It is Thursday, 6:30 in the morning. Let's make this money. All right, so here we go. It's 10:31 in the morning, and I've only made like 50 bucks, which I started at about 6:30 in the morning. Was it that I believe I started? So I've only made 50 bucks, and again, here we go. Strategy, multi-app all day. Okay, wherever it takes me, pick up, drop off, stay put. That's the strategy. Let's see how much money we can make today. I have my doubts, but still, I trust my strategies. And I finished the day off at about 7 o'clock, I think that's what it was, and I made a total of 333. So good day. Multi-apping all day. It was slow, but just, you know, multi-apping it actually worked. So strategy has been doing pretty good. People are still saying out there that it's really slow, but then again, you know, they just don't know. For $5 you can get my ebook and make $333 today. So let's keep it going. Today's Thursday, so let's see how much money we make for Friday. Let's keep making this money. All right, so it is 12 noon, and I've only made like $81, $80, somewhere around there. So same as yesterday, it was slow, but it's 12. Yesterday was at 10 when I was pretty low when I finished at that time. So I think I only made like 50 bucks like yesterday about 10 a.m. Right now it's 12 noon, and I've only made $81. So all right. Let's apply the strategies. Let's keep it going. Multi-app. All right, so I finished the day today, what is this, Friday, at 9 o'clock. I made a total of 309 for today, multi-apping. It was kind of slow, but even with the slowness, I still made 309. Let's keep it going. Tomorrow is Saturday. Let's keep making this money. All right, so it's 3:37 p.m. I have made $202 if I am correct. And for the rest of the week, I've actually made $1,940 something. So I'm gonna hit my 2,000 today, plus a little bit more. And this is what I'm talking about. It's a really good example. So last week I had a short fallings, so I was short 2,000. You know, a couple $100. Okay, and me going over this week compensates for that. And this is why at the end of the month, just as much as at the end of the week, it all adds up. All right, at the end of the month, it all adds up, and you're always making 2,000 a week. Let's keep making this money. All right, the money's out there. You just gotta go get it. $5 for the ebook. Get it. You can do what I do. All right, so it is, I finished off at 9:19 p.m. and I made a total of 319. I think almost every day this week has been over 300. So it's been dude, it's been a really good week. Still some people out there saying that it's really slow. I do not know what the hell they talking about. All right, it's not slow. But 319 for a Saturday. I'm debating on working on Sunday, but I think I'm gonna do it anyway just because I'm good at what I do. So here I am. I'm over $2,000. I'll post it right there. See how much I'm up. But yeah, I'm gonna work it tomorrow for a little bit, and then I might just take off for a little bit. Depends. Let's see how it goes. Let's keep making this money. Easy money. All right, so it's Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning. All right, today's supposed to be my day off, but there's an issue with that. In between the diet and my goals and responsibilities and the things that I have to do, I can't sleep. So I woke up at 4, went back to bed, and I just can't go. I can't go back to bed. So I just woke up, got ready, and here I am, 7 o'clock in the morning. I gotta get to work. I gotta do something. I can't just sit around all day. So I can't sleep. Let's make this money. Okay, I got just two more trips, and I get the bonus. Stop. $5 for only $5.